All right, everybody, if you were in my live over on YouTube, you would have seen the whole process to get to here. Now we are gonna do the next steps, check the resin temperature. Oh, we are well on our way. Perfect. Hold up. Not sure if this is filming vertical or not. So, for this technique, we are going to suspend our resin in clear. Let's do a zoom in so you guys can get a all right. So again, you can decide to do your colors however you want. Don't think we added any gold on this side. Woo! I hope I didn't mix up too much black. So we may have to add the black to the base of the piece. I'm not sure. I don't think I poured enough anyways to make this entire, what's it called? The bathroom soap dispenser. That's all the white. Oh, there's a bug. Go away, bug. Sorry that I'm covering that up, guys. Okay, and let's add the blue. So I had done a live on YouTube. So if you want to see the beginning of how we got here, that's over there. All right, guys, now we are going to pour into our mold. So here's our mold. And here is our piece. Are we ready? Or should I do a different angle? I think I should switch up the angle, guys. One second. All right. We're gonna get nice and close, guys. Are we ready? Actually, And you know what? I am going to spray some alcohol. I think we need even we need to be able to see the pour. Okay, guys. That's fantastic. How many people are gonna say or ask if this is AI? Watch in the comments. That turned out fantastic. All right, guys, so this is part one. Actually, this is part two. The first part, you're gonna see a YouTube live of how to get here. And then I'm gonna be using my Resin's curing machine, Resineer's curing machine. I'll place that on top. I will have to mix up some more resin to add more, obviously. And I need to fill the top. So stay tuned for more.